shots na yung mga leeg at baba natin. Yung puno nandun, no?
Kalakihan
Sabay pa tayo naka-side view, oh. Tulog ang baby namin later, yan. Magiging ano na yan. Magiging hyper yan.
Andito na ang airplane.
Baby, cut, cut, cut. Baby,
Andito na ang airplane.
cut.
Ay, ang bilis lumangon. Bilis. Bola na.
Oh.
Ayun. Ayun. So cute. Ayun. Nagising so well? Yeah? Nagising tuloy. Oh, let's put baby mo sa back mo. Dali, we're here na. Bakit si Charles na? Oh? Na? Oh, wow. Ah, yes. Lolo.
Let's go to the airplane.
Yeah. Awake ka, Lolo? Pagigising lang. Ito lang ang buhok mo.
Hilo at takaw. Ayaw, dalin mo. Pag nahuli ko, huhuli.
Opo, dediyo ako.
Salbahay ka. Salbahay ka.
Wala pa tayo sa airplane. Pag nasa loob na ng airplane. Wow! Okay naman. Dada!
Oh! You're so pogi naman! Kailangan purihin eh.
Ito, why your bag
Why may bag?
in the top of the rabbit?
Say hi everyone. Say hi everyone who watching this video. Say hi to them. Where are we going? Huh? Tell them. Sandali. Please.
What happened? Sorry. Kapit mo lang yung anak. Go. Go, hi.
Thank you, Lord. Yay! Let's go!
Katagululo ng stress.
Alam mo, alam. Guys, anong punta mo? Guys. Guys. Anong punta mo? Ha? Anong punta mo? Saan? Saan tayo?
Sorry.
Picture. Picture.
1, 2,
Kayos. Kayos. Kayos, look. Kuya. Kuya, smile. 1, 2, 3. Ay, pampa... Ano mo na? Talag sa akin ba? Kumuha ba? Kakain muna kami mga busa bago kami lumipad. Hihintay muna namin yung kanya-kanya namin pakpak. Busy ang baby, oh.
Bakit nalala ko ng parang camera? Yan. Pwede mo yung gano'n.
Guys, where's the airplane?
There, look.
Where? Where?
There.
There?
There's an airplane? Yo.
The sun is there.
Oh, let's get. Let's sleep.
Oh, sleeping naman.
The chair is there. Na.
Huh?
Sa airplane na. Yeah, that is going to get you up a year later. You're going to drink it in the airplane.
Okay. But I want now. I want it right now. Hi.
For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket.
Once again, may we remind all our guests that the use of power banks is prohibited for the entire duration of the flight.
Airplane stop, I can remove this.
Yeah.
And these safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance with existing regulations and to
Hindi sabi na inay. Gumandun din ang inay. Nay, ganun ka. Kita bang yan? Nay, ganun ka. Ay. Ganun ka din. Yan. Yung antok na antok. Antok na kami. Pero gusto namin makita yung reaction ni Kayos.
Hindi mo
Lumipad
katulog.
na yung ano, yung aeroplano. Yung daddy niya, kanina pa yung nakaganyan.
everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Hong Kong International Airport. The local time now is 54 minutes as the hour of 7 in the evening, and for our information, there is no time difference between Manila and Hong Kong.
Touch it! The floor is so soft.
Super cute. Laki mo lang talaga.
Do you want Daddy to carry you pa? I'll carry you later. Or will you walk? Okay na. Come here first. Oh, take a picture first. You want to stay there? Okay.
Ano yan? Ikaw lang.
Ate, kasama ka. What?
And stand up.
Why?
So we can sit down.
You can sit down.
And Daddy na stand. Daddy stand. Daddy, can I take a picture? Daddy, can I take a picture to Daddy?
You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Oy, take a picture daw. Kuno mo yung ano.
Oh.
Take a picture of you.
Siya daw mag-video. Siya daw. Siya mag-video. Kayos, about this one.
Nasaktuhan pa naman
Kayos, one more.
Super mahal. Ah, budget ang ganda.
You remove my shoes. Okay,
At saka wala. Okay.
Kayos. Help me. Remove my socks. Oh.
Bakit?
Where's my slipper?
I will show you your slippers.
You will show me my slipper? Okay.
Here.
Oh,
Ada.
Dada.
Here.
Give it to Dada.
Step in. Can I change this one?
Oh, thank you.
For right and left. Thank you so much.
Where's my slippers?
Oh, thank
So
you.
sweet naman.
And this is for Lolo.
This is for Lolo.
Wala na lang.
Not Lolo.
Ayun.
Where are you
Lolo.
going to put Dada's shoes?
Oh,
Help mo lang si Dada.
Where's Lolo?
there. There.
Kinukuha ka chinelas mo.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, use no more sleepers. Napano si Daddy?
That's for Nino.
Where's my slippers? Kawawa naman si Lola. Walang slippers.
This is for.
This is
Oh.
for.
Hindi ako nakikita.
Kaya ako nakuha ng chinelas. Ayaw kong bigyan. Ay, si Lola. Oh, wala
sleeper si Lola Olo. Where are you going to put Dada's shoes? Get mo yung Dada's shoes doon eh. Lagay mo doon din.
Okay, Dada shoes.
What? Sleeper ayong bigay si
Ayos! Be gentle kay Lola Beth.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. It's okay that Daddy has no sleeper.
Oh, where did you put my
It's okay,
shoes?
Daddy has no sleeper. It's okay. Lola Beth, sir. It's okay, Daddy. Daddy will use my sleeper. Just give it to Lola Beth. Lola Beth's feet is ouchy po. Oh, he has sugat po there. She has sugat po. She has sugat. It's okay. Okay. Daddy will use this.
Ay, ano?
That's for Daddy.
Yeah.
Wow! Thank you so much!
Kawawa naman si Lola Beth. Walang sleeper.
Let's bring our luggage inside the
Give mo
room.
na kay Lola Beth. Lola Beth na. I will be more sa
Daddy,
Give it to Lola Beth.
kailangan yung makitang mayroon kang
Dali na.
Kailangan may sleepers ka. Hindi mo wala ka lang
super
sleepers
sweet.
niya.
Daddy has sleepers na. Oh. I will open it. Oh. You can give that to Lola Beth na po. Daddy has sleepers na.
Oh, look.
Gayos! Gayos! I forgot my sleeper pala. I forgot my sleeper in our
Hindi po
room.
mababasag ito?
Ah.
Pwede pong
I
i-move natin
forgot my
to?
sleeper. Yeah. I need a sleeper.
Baba ko muna, baka mabasag kasi.
I want Tata sleeper. Can you get? Oh. Oh. Let's just test his emotion. Oh.
Daddy needs your sleeper.
Oh. Wait, dating na natin ito ano kukunin.
And Tata needs.
Tata needs Lola Beth sleeper. You're so bait naman. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. I have my sleeper. I have my sleeper. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
bait.
much!
Thank you. Ang bait ng baby namin.
Yes!
Are you hug
Can I hug and kiss you?
Ikaw may chinelas ka
Okay, I love you.
Meron na
baby.
ka, meron na ka.
I love you.
Ang sa'yo dito ko ang luwag!
Ano ko? Diyos ko, pangarap na. Kung pa kayo.
Nay! Ano ka? Gusto mo yung room?
Yeah, ganda.
Ang bait ng batang ari eh. Oh. Oh. Sinong bata ang mauutusan ng ganyan sa ganyang edad? Sa bagay, ngayon lang ako kasi nakakita ng ganyang bata eh.
Uy, close your eyes. You have to look for it. Oh, wait. Close your eyes muna, ha? Close your eyes! You have to look it outside. You look. Oh, close your eyes. Oh, don't see. Again. Again, again. Go! Where is it?
Where's it?
What's that?
Daddy, where's it?
What's that?
What's that?
Oh, no.
Are you happy? Nye!
Nye!
It will get ouchie. Oh, here. Oh,
Oh,
let's wait
it-
for mommy. We're going to... Daddy's coming. What do you want to feed you, mom or dad?
Oh, eat ka po muna, baby.
Can you change your clothes first?
Ano daw?
Spoon and fork.
Ano pa? Ah, you always spoon and
You're looking for your spoon and fork?
Sino dito? Yay! Oh, give mo kay daddy. And this one. Oh, do you want, you want that? Okay. Oh,
Oh, no!
Bye. Dirty.
For the owner.
Tingin. Oh, nasaan na?
Ano to, may free tissue pa siya?
Yo, what's up? Dito na kami gusto. Ano sabi? Ta! Ano sabi?
Sabi, at the age of 3?
Sabi, napaka-observant. Sabi, the steering wheel is baliktad. Nasa kabila daw. Di ba kasi sa Pilipinas, nasa kanan. Nasa kaliwa pala, dito pala nasa kanan. Ako dito, ako nalilito ako sa hindi.
Ang galing ah. Batang bata eh. Tulog ka na, Nay?
I smell stinky na? Do I smell stinky na?
Because you walk.
Oh, because I walk. Okay.
Ah, okay po. Later po, baby. Pinagpapalit na ako ng damit.
Saan ang toothbrush?